you for my gifts. Thank you for the... God. Napaka-astig ko. Astig. Pares ko mga anak ko. Meron siyang ganito. Uso ko ngayon. So much. Daddy. God bless. Thank you. Thank you for my gifts. Thank you for the gifts. For the gifts. Where's the gifts? This one. This one. This shoe. And where's the dog? Give me the dog. Okay, we got home. We go back home now from his friend. I met his so let's show you the present from him to Ocean. Yes, painter. Wow! Oh, look, you put like this. Wait, I will put it. Put it. Happy. You're right. This one. Joel. God. New ba? Word balance mo. Original, di ba? Original. Look, only 2 years old can wear this original. Diba? That's the face. Diba? So, thank you po. Thank you for the presents to my son. And that's all. So, now, thank you so much. God bless you, guys. And more blessings to come. And more money to come. And both of you. So, I will show you also the parcel I bought last Friday. Actually, this is it's already 5 days here in my room. So I bought this watch. Korean watch is only 100 peso, diba? Only for fashion. So this one, and also this one, shoe. Diba? Kasi yung mga shoes ko dito ang dami original. So, nagustuhan ko na. Napaka-astig. Astig. Diba? Maganda. At least, kahit paano po na bibili ko na para sa akin. Kasi ang tagal, hindi ko nabibili para sa akin. So, also this one. Pares ko mga anak ko, meron siyang ganito. Uso ko ngayon, Mia shoe. Uso ko ngayon parang Birkin. Ano siyang khaki color. And then yung kay Ocean is brown din. Brown color. So, ano ko, para ako magtitinda mo. Para ko kasi mag-apply magtinda-tinda. Kaya nabibili ako ng papalit. Siyempre, wala tayong magawa sa ulo. Ayan. Ballpen. Tapos inuwawala yung mga ballpen ko. Kasi mahilig ako magsulat-sulat at saka yung mga sulat. Yung mga mahilig ako magsulat ng mga expenses ko. You know what I bought? It's 50 pieces. Only 35 pesos. No, napaka-nipis. Akala ko malaki. Na budol ako dito. Well, it's 5. So, yun lang po. God bless more to me. And sana makapag-work na ako, magkaroon na ako ng magandang opportunity na trabaho para mas mabili ko pa yun na gusto ko, diba? And mabless pa. So, yun lang po, diba? Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you daw. Say thank you. Thank you, mommy. Ay, thank you, daddy. Thank you, daddy. So much.
Very much.
Daddy.
Daddy.
God bless.
We.
God bless you. God bless. Say God bless. Thank you.